Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to narrow down your search on the Kiko Milano application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the shop button down below, which is the second option. Then select a category such as skincare, makeup, accessories and so on. Tap on it, then click on another category, a subcategory. Select from these types of products at the top, or you can apply filters by tapping on the filter button in the upper right corner. Here you can select the color, the skin specificity such as dry skin, dull skin, early sign wrinkles and so on. So tap on the relevant product or skin specificity, then the skin type can be selected, combination, dry, normal or oily. Then you can set the benefits such as anti-age, brightening, lifting, firming, mattifying, moisturizing and so on. Then you can also select the price range and click on the show results button down below to check out all of the available products here. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.